Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to be going to market shortly on oil, which is here. We're looking at a 15-minute chart. We're just looking to follow the candles up because it's currently extended. Now, this is the same drill what I do for the guys all the time. They get a running total of what's going on. Now here, we can see it's a sell across the board. It is extended, so I've got to be really careful. It's only about a 7-pip trade. Now, I've also done it here where I've broke down the entire trade so they can see exactly what it is that I'm looking at and why I'm looking at it. So if they want to follow it, brilliant, it's up to them. And if they don't, it's not really a big issue. Now, this particular trade, it's really just a kind of a scalp. And it's not the best when a market is overextended as this one is. Patience is your best friend. Now, as you can see, this is pulling up on a 15-minute. Now, if I drop this down into 5, you'll see it's starting to come round and it's pulling against this particular move, but the chances are it'll swing back. So the easiest way to do it is just look at the cluster of candles where it's at and look for a half decent entry point. Well, if this is pulling up away, I want to see it break these two and then come down. That's probably the sensible route to take. Now, what that enables me to do is now follow the candles up. Nice and easy. I put a reasonably achievable target here. And then you just follow the money. And the money at the moment is pushing up. So the higher that gets up, the easier that 7 pips becomes. And that's it. You know, and it's just sort of running on from this. So I'm ahead of the game. I'm 122 ahead. Because I only want to do 200 a day, where I did 320 yesterday. So I don't have to work hard today. So I don't mind taking a smaller trade. It's nice and simple. And I don't mind smaller things. That's why I like her, because she's only little. Yeah, no. But she's got a couple of big things. You have got a couple of big ones and all, haven't you?
Get over your train.
They're not bad for a little girl. Alright, okay. More on that later when I switch the camera off. Then again, we might switch the camera back on.
I don't think so.
What do you mean? You don't want to make another tip?
Get over what you're doing.
Well, you were good when you were swinging the tassels. No? Alright. Different type of candle then. She does like to get in the bath with candles and all that sort of stuff. She's proper girl. You're a proper girly girl, aren't you?
I am a girl.
Fucking hope so. Right, okay, let's play this one out. Okay there, Baldylocks, that was for you. Quick scalp, planned out as shown. Very easy trade, and that's just the way I like it. Trading ain't hard when you put your homework in and you know exactly what it is you're looking for. It only comes hard when you start chasing it over and over. You want to be in for the sake of being in and not planning. And that's it. Would you say that's true?
Yeah.
Do you care?
I do care.
Do you hell, you little bubble head? Just as well I like it. I do actually. So, that was just for consistency. See you all in the next one.